So students should have the right to free education. Hi, my name is Maival Kota, and today this is my presentation. So, a person's education is regarded as one of the most important aspects of their life, since it equips them with ability, information, and experience they need to successfully negotiate the challenge of the outside world. But many people still have a lot of difficulties getting access to school, especially those who come from a low income homes. This has promoted demands for free education for all students, an idea that has generated a lot of discussion in recent years. So what will happen if education was free for everyone? And so those are my four arguments. Education is a human right. Improved access to education, an economic boost, and reduction in inequality. Education is a human right. The fact that free education is a fundamental human right is one of the main reasons in favor of it. Everyone has the right to education, and this right should be made available to everyone without distraction. As stated in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, every free education would make it possible for everyone, regardless of socioeconomic standing, to have access to education opportunities they need to reach their potential. So, improved access to education. Free education would dramatically increase access to education for many children and many students, which is another reason in favor of it. Many people still find it difficult to afford their education, especially those from low-income families. As stated in the Dollars and Cents of Free College book, by making education free, students would no longer have to worry about the cost of attending school, freeing them up to concentrate completely on their academics. And an economic boost. This also will help the economy a lot to grow. So free education would benefit the economy in addition to enhancing accessibility to education. Every economy um, needs a skilled labor force to grow and flourish, and free education would go a long way toward ensuring that everyone has the skill and information needed to contribute to the economy. As stated in the article, The Economic of Free College, the people would have more discretionary cash to spend on goods and service, and also supplies for school, like book, even textbook, and other supplies they may need for their major. A lot of those supplies that you buy from colleges as well are very expensive aside from the cost of education itself. The elimination of student loan debt would also significantly stimulate the economy. Um, Reduction in inequality. Finally, by giving everyone the same opportunity to attend education, regardless of their socio-economic standing, free education would contribute to the reduction of inequality. The provision of free education would help to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to realize their full potential. So, as stated in the article, should college be free? The economic impact of free college. Education has long been acknowledged as a critical factor in reducing inequality and encouraging social mobility. My conclusion. So, the idea that students should have the right to free education is supported by a number of strong arguments. To sum up, free education is a proposal that warrants a careful examination from the perspective of human rights, increased access to education, a boost to the economy, and a reduction in inequality, um, we can ensure that everyone has the chance to reach their full potential and contribute to the society and to a more just and successful society by ensuring that everyone has access to high quality education and they have access to learning also their major and um, like I said, contribute to society. So here is my end of my end of my presentation, and those are just citation and all the websites I used. I also use books. So thanks so much for listening to my presentation. I hope you like it and have a good day.